Come on, winter with us.
Hi, friends. Uh-oh. What'd you do? Oh, no. Gotta be more careful. So, we're going on a little hike. It's a 2-mile hike there and back. So, wish us luck. We got little legs joining us, and they get tired easily. But, we're gonna go see a waterfall, so should be worth it, hopefully. Anyways, I'm glad you guys are with us. And we will keep showing you our fun adventure. Hope you guys enjoy it. You found a butterfly? Where? Okay, let's go. Ooh, I bet there's huckleberries all up in here. What'd you find? You found a crystal?
Crystal.
Oh wow, that is very shiny, huh? That is garbage.
Yeah.
But this one is so shiny. Look at that.
Yeah, I found it.
Good job. Do you remember what this shiny is?
Yeah.
What is it?
I don't know it.
We just talked about it yesterday.
At our camp?
No, when we were swimming. Mica.
Oh my god. No, it's not.
It sure is.
No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
You have to go pee? Okay. We're going to take a little jog along this trail. And Mama's going to do it with them because they just keep going. Might as well, right? You guys want to take a seat?
Yeah.
Oh, it says and plus d a d. Can you read it for me? Plus d a d. Can you read it?
No.
Mom, Dad.
Me, Daddy, and Mom.
That was a fun little jog. Huh. You want to keep going?
Yeah.
Well, they're on the move. Let's go. We took a tumble. You okay? Oh, come here, let me help you. You're okay. He did take his tumble like a man. Oh, that's garbage. That is for the squirrels now. You okay? Yeah? And back at it. Sometimes you just have to fall and get back up and go again. Keep on running. The world will knock you down. Keep on going after that. Hear it! Go, 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 go! He's catching me! Hurry, Cameron! Yeah! beat me. Where you at, babe? I can hear it. I think we're getting pretty close now. Let's see. Whoa, yeah. Yeah.
No, I pulled that one. Ah! Ah! What's that?
Careful. Careful. Come on. Wow. You guys see that? That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna go a little bit closer. Oh. It says this is the closest we get to get, and I don't think that's going to be true. So we're gonna try and find a way to get closer to the creek. We can't just look from up here. It's not who we are and how we do. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Come on. Remember to always stay safe though. So if there is boundaries, you do need to still follow them. But if you have an adult who kind of knows what they're doing or how to handle situations like this, and they're willing to, good. Because it's always nice to explore. No, right here, guys. Good job going on your butt. Follow the trail. Good job going down on your butt. Follow the trail.
Ooh.
Keep going. Just watch your step and be careful. What is it? Oh. Watch what you're doing, Cavern. Okay. If you need to sit on your butt, sit on your butt. Make it a slide. The road is your playground. Everything's a slide. Mama has slid on her butt many, many a time. We're going that way. But hey, wait. Mom's gonna go first.
Why?
Because I want to make sure that everyone's good. Did you just say you're not a baby? Okay.
Yeah.
See these stairs right here? Go backwards. Hold on to the roots. Look. See these? Right here? You're going to go backwards. Hold on to them like a ladder. Like your tree fort ladder. Here. Okay, go turn around. Come here, friends. Show you what I mean. Okay, backwards like a ladder. Wow. Ah! Backwards like a ladder. Good job, babe. Oh my gosh, I'm getting gotten. Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to cross over here, and this is going to be the pool that we can play in. I'm going to help you. Hang on. I made it! Are you fishing?
Yeah.
Are you catching anything? Whoa, you're catching a big one! Catching a big one! I bet it's really loud for you guys, huh? The waterfall is really moving, and it's kind of loud for us even. So I'm talking really loud. Anyways, I'm hoping you can hear us, but I'm going to take a good look around and let you guys see what we're seeing. It's so beautiful. What do you want?
Play in the water.
You want to play in the water?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Right here. You're going to take your friends, okay?
Hi, friends. Can I hold them?
No, just keep them on your head for right now.
Why?
Because I don't want to help you.
Guys.
Oh, you caught a shark?
Yeah.
Holy moly. Whoa. Look. Look at Cameron. He caught a shark. Whoa.
Oh no. Oh no. I want to get out of the water.
Why? Is it cold?
No. I want to get that shark.
Hey, baby. We're using our imagination.
Oh.
Yeah, there's no real shark.
Oh.
Just using our imagination.
It's so deep. It's cold. Okay, I go in the water and catch fish.
Okay.
Ooh! Oh, okay, I need to catch it.
Oh, it's so big it broke your stick. Or your
No!
pole.
Chewing. Caught something?
Did you?
Yeah. Lemon. 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 Ah! Ah! Ooh, I caught one. Oh, real. Ooh, I caught one. Mama, I real caught one.
Oh, look, Cameron's reeling up. Look at him, he's reeling up. There you go. Good job using your imagination.
Ooh, a codfish. Mom, look at this fish.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Oh, you're feeding us for a week. yeah, look at this one. That's a big old fishy fish.
Yeah.
Well, the boys are already on their way. While Mama's still looking for gold. Someday I will find gold. That is my lifelong dream, is to find gold. Anyways, this was super pretty and super cool. And I'm so glad you guys joined us. We do have one more waterfall we're going to go check out, but we might make that into a different video, or maybe not video at all. I don't know yet. Anyways, glad you guys were with us. Bye-bye, waterfall. I don't really know if you guys could hear me or not. So on the off chance you guys couldn't hear me down there, we are skedaddling. We're going to go and find a different waterfall. I don't know if we're going to actually record or if we're just going to add it to a different video, make it its own video, but that's kind of our idea. Anyways, we really enjoy having you guys. We're glad you guys were with us. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and the little bell next to subscribe will let you know whenever we have new videos coming out. What did you find? Oh, the ant? You found a baby ant? Aww. Anyways, friends, we will see you guys next time. Say bye, friends. Okay, boys, what do you want to do? We can go to the other waterfall.
Yeah.
And we could walk down and see that. It is a shorter hike than this, so that's a plus.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Or we could go fishing, swimming. Or we could do both. We could go to the waterfall real quick, and then if we have time, we could go swimming after. Yeah, that's what you want to do, Woodlet or Kevin? You want to go to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like we're going to the other waterfall. Here we go.